In Lanka, Ravan was unsettled. Hanuman had just set the city aflame, slain many Rakshasas, and now an army was marching towards his kingdom. His younger brother Vibhishan urged him to let Sita go and avoid war.
Ram has not wronged you, Vibhishan said. It was Khara who attacked him, and Ram fought only in self-defense. For the good of Lanka, return Sita.
But Indrajit mocked Vibhishan as weak, and Ravan exploded in anger. In open court, he insulted his brother, calling him Anarya, ignoble, while claiming himself to be Arya, noble. Vibhishan could bear no more. He bowed and said, "You are my elder brother, worthy of respect, but you have strayed from Dharma. I cannot be a party to this sin. I shall leave. Rule Lanka without me." And with that, he walked away openly, not in betrayal, but in truth. He went to Rama's camp, seeking refuge. Sugriva distrusted him, fearing a trap. Angada and Jambavan agreed. But Hanuman spoke differently. He remembered how Sita herself had told him that Vibhishan had tried to free her. With this assurance, Hanuman said Vibhishan could be trusted. Rama then made his decision. "I grant him protection. Bring him to me." Rama explained his choice, convincing even Sugriva. For Rama, it was not just about caution. It was about upholding Dharma, about offering shelter to one who sincerely sought it. He reminded them that anyone who surrenders with honesty, even if they were once an enemy, deserves protection. This episode reveals two starkly different leadership styles. Ravan, arrogant and closed, made decisions without counsel, and when challenged, he cast aside even his own brother. Rama, in contrast, listened to every advisor, weighed their opinions, and then took a bold but reasoned stand, bringing everyone along with him. True leadership, the story shows, is not only about strength in battle, but also about compassion, trust, and moral courage. And so, Vibhishan joined Rama, not as a traitor, but as a man of principle, choosing Dharma over blood. His choice reminds us that loyalty to truth is higher than loyalty to family when family strays from righteousness. It also established one of Rama's greatest vows, that he would never abandon anyone who came to him with sincerity, no matter their past. And in doing so, both Rama and Vibhishan became timeless examples of courage, one in giving protection, the other in walking away from adharma.